Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, World Kitchen. Today I'm going to make my own version of chicken leg. Okay, now we're gonna make a sauce for the chicken. First, I have cumin, like 1/2 teaspoon, and black pepper also 1/2 teaspoon. And the same way of garlic powder. Not two 1/2 teaspoons. And the paprika, we're gonna need a 1 tablespoon of that. Oops. It's okay. That. And 1 tablespoon of sugar. No, I mean 2 tablespoons of sugar. I use raw sugar, but it's don't really matter what kind of sugar you're going to use. And then 1/4 cup of cherry wine, and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Come on, come out. Come out. Oops. There you go. And 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. This is not unsalted, so that's fine. And 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Now I just use this one to stir it. Just stir it well. This is like my Hawaiian style, but different way. Oh, I forgot the honey. I have 1 tablespoon of honey. There you go. Mix it well. Just be careful your shirt, don't splash it to your shirt, because the paprika is really stick in your shirt, especially white. It's hard to take it off. Alright, that's why I'm wearing black. If I accidentally splash my shirt, it won't show. Now we start putting all the chicken there. You can marinate this like overnight, or you can marinate like couple hours, like 2 hours. There is 2 ways to cook this. You can fry it or you can bake it. This time I'm going to try to fry it. I usually baking this one, but I will try my unique as to fry it. We're gonna dip that one to egg and then cornstarch and deep frying it. Okay. I already preheat the oil. Okay, on your cornstarch you need to put garlic, like about like half the teaspoon, and ground peppers, and mix them. No more salt. Okay. Alright, now it's needed to start dipping this to the egg like that. Did you see it? And dip to the cornstarch. It's gonna be messy your hands. I mean your gloves. You need to wear gloves with this. Put there. If you don't want to do this like this, what I do, you just have to use my sauce and bake the chicken. I guess this is preheated now. Oh, there you go. I don't want to really wait until it's really hot. This is lasagna. Just put your fire to medium low. And that looks yummy. Okay, while we're waiting for the chicken, we'll make a sauce. This sauce is very simple. You just have to have a 10 pieces of garlic and you just chop it. I call this a garlic sauce. There's a lot of garlic. That should be enough. Okay, we're gonna add 1/4 cup of soy sauce. You can store the sauce if you're not very finished it, then just put it in the freeze. And 1/4 cup of vinegar. And 2 tablespoons of sugar. And this is a lemon juice, 1 lemon juice. If you want also, you can add chili, like 2 of those. Cut it and put it here. And also you can add onions, cut half of the onions. But I don't like raw onions. I can eat garlic but not onions raw. So that is my second batch. Okay, here is my Hawaiian style fried drumstick. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like it, and also don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel, and share with your friends and your family. Alright, we'll see you next time. Okay, let's try my drumstick, Hawaiian style drumstick. This is the first time I made this. I usually bake it, but like I said, my Unica requesting it with sauce. It's really good. Really good with the sauce.